Hey guys, welcome to Super Sony Vision. Not muffins, but we're gonna be having I can't remember the name. Okay, we're gonna say grams. I don't remember the first part of the word. Yeah. So we're going, okay, so the ingredients you'll need 16 graham crackers, but I don't really know how much that is, so it says 2 and 2/3 cups about of graham crackers, 1/4 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 egg, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 fully ripe bananas that are mashed, and 1/4 cup chopped walnuts. We have extra ripe bananas. This one's more than extra ripe. Okay. Anyways, let's put it in. Okay, so you need to mash this. So, again, we had to do something because I mashed it with my hands. Not very smart. But now just preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You could have done that in the beginning, but it takes me way longer to mix it. So it probably would have preheated by then. But, it says don't mix in the nuts. Wow. Okay. It doesn't say when to add oh no, you're supposed to top it with the nuts. I didn't. It'll be okay. Hopefully. Yeah. But anyways, you're gonna want to mix it all together. I'm just gonna use a spatula. You can use a whisk if you want to. I don't know what happened. The camera wasn't working. I had to use a different camera. It's not looking very good or like a regular mix. Again, I didn't put the nuts in, or I did put the nuts in. This, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm actually pretty good at baking, but this is being kind of weird. So yeah, I think we're just gonna add it into the muffin thing. I'm gonna be right back. By the way, you gotta spoon it into like muffin liners in a pan. Yeah, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna do that. Bye. I realized why it's so liquidy. I forgot to add like another whole cup of graham crackers, and now it's not as liquidy. It makes so much sense. Yeah, but I'm gonna put it in the cupcake liners now. So we put them in the pan. They're still pretty liquidy, but let's hope for the best. You know, that's all I can do. I'll be back once they're done cooking. So we came back from cooking them. They stunk a little and they didn't really turn out. They pretty much failed. I tried to put it into a tin, like I smashed them together, but it didn't. It looks like meatloaf. I don't know what went wrong. I did everything right. It's probably still raw now, but at least we tried. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a double thumbs up and subscribe to see some more of my videos. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. Bye!